In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use SmartScout to find and launch products on Amazon like a pro. Let's dive in. So if we log into SmartScout, number one is going to be utilizing the search trends tool. And this is one of their new tools and it works extremely well. Right now, as you can see, I'm Harry Potter for the holiday season. And if we look at the search trends in the last 3 months, you can see that Halloween decorations outdoor is going crazy with over 700,000 views on Amazon per day. And it's just going up and up from here. So if you do sell a Halloween product or you want to sell a product, Halloween might be a great idea. Just know that it's a seasonal product, so you may only get sales during the Halloween season. But seasonal products work extremely well because you get a huge bump during that season. And we can look through other items like the iPhone, Halloween decorations for indoor. Gaming is getting big towards the holiday season because people now are staying inside. They're not going outside. So if you're into games, there we go. Halloween costume woman. So you can kind of go tattoo cover-ups, different things. You can also look at 1 year trends and search for your own trends, different ideas, toothbrushes, and try to find different trends in different areas. Now what we did is we kind of looked at cool lighters because I'm definitely I love cool lighters and collecting them. So after a year's view, we can see what are cool lighters. Do they have a big trend? And we can see they're trending during December. But not only that, this is an all year round product. It's selling, it's getting 10,000 views, so it's getting pretty much a lot of sales all year round. And one thing I noticed is it says cool lighters for men, and it doesn't say cool lighters for women anywhere. So we know right away that the cool lighters for men, it's a huge trend right now. Unique, and we have other keywords that people are typing in. Cool torch lighter, men's lighter, fancy men's lighter. We also have Spanish keywords that are big. So if you're not utilizing Spanish keywords on your back end, that's another idea. So if we go to Amazon and we type in cool lighter, we can kind of see some cool lighters here. And I did like this lighter, so I clicked on this. And what you can do is take the ASIN and then you can go to the SmartScout tool, which is called search terms. So number two is going to be utilizing the search terms tool. Now put in that ASIN. Right now we're looking at this flame torch lighter and it looks really cool. And if we go here, we can actually check out the details here. So we can see how much money it's making per month. It's making $6,000 per month, which is pretty decent for just one small lighter. Very low cost product to launch. And we can also look at the rank maker and see what keywords are people typing in to find this product. So we can see people are typing in card lighter, people are typing in playing card lighter, and this should give you some ideas, and it gives you the estimated weekly search volume. So this is weekly, 2,000 views weekly. So card lighter is in demand right now, and it's not the holiday season yet. So we're scrolling down and we can see cool unique lighters, novelty lighters, and one that it really stands out is a gun lighter. So this puts off a light bulb right in my mind that maybe if we're looking into lighters, a gun lighter making 11,000 views per week could be a huge product to launch. Now we do need to dive deeper into this product, but the only reason I figured out gun lighter was utilizing the SmartScout tool. Now, if we go back into the SmartScout tool, not only does it have that, but it has other relevant products. So we can look at other relevant products that are close to this one, and I can see this one right here, and let's look at it. And this is awesome. It's a Game Boy lighter. So we started from this product and we wanted to launch a lighter, or we like lighters. So we looked and we're utilizing these tools, and now we're looking and we're finding different products, and now we found a Game Boy lighter. So we got a Game Boy lighter, a gun lighter. We know a gun lighter. This one has 600 sales in the past month, which is completely insane. And it automatically has more light bulbs coming off in my mind. If this was for a client, what about an Xbox lighter? One that looks like an Xbox, one that looks like a PS5, right? You've got Nintendo, you've got Sega. You can make it look pretty close where you're not violating any IP, because that's what it looks like they're doing straight up. So I think that would be amazing and a crazy all year round product, especially during the holiday season. So this is really cool, and this kind of brings up different ideas. And not only if we go from that, we can also, if we take this ASIN, we can go back to SmartScout and go to the search terms area, type in this product, and then go to the ad spy. The ad spy tells us the exact keywords they're using to run Amazon ads. So if we were to launch a product that's similar to this, what keywords are they ranking for? Blue collar gifts for men. That's funny. I wouldn't think people, cool lighter for men, gamer gifts. So again, this kind of what are some gamer lighters that you could launch? And then we have also Spanish keywords on top of that. So we can see the exact keywords, and we can download this into an Excel spreadsheet and filter it and see the exact ads that they're running. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't think any other Amazon tool does this. It actually shows you what keywords they're running for ads. I'm not exactly sure how it does this. It must really go through Star Wars Light. It must really go through, but it's pretty awesome to see. So if you do utilize SmartScout, the 3 areas you want to look at is the search trends, ad spy, and search terms. And this really helped me right now not only find a cool product, but find that a gun lighter could be a huge opportunity. And not only that, something that's related to gamers, a gaming lighter. And right now, if we type in Xbox lighter, nothing at all. There's huge potential. And right now there's only one other competitor, and this one looks really low quality. But right now there's a huge demand for this product. They're making so much sales, and we could utilize this and see exactly what keywords they're ranking for. Go for the same keywords, go for the same item, launch something a little bit different like an Xbox lighter. Make sure it's a little bit different than looking from an Xbox, and make sure it utilizes, doesn't violate anybody's IP. Launch it on Amazon and you could make a killing. So it's very exciting to utilize these types of tools. And of course they have a lot more, but these are the top 3 I would recommend. And I hope that you learned something new in today's video. If you did, drop a like. And if you have something that you want us to create, any ideas or videos that you want us to look into, drop a comment below. That's it. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.